Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the 18 elements of the production part approval process and on which level we need to submit these records. So these things we will discuss in this videos. So first of all you have to mention the company name and check sheet name. Here we did a PPAP, so we will give the PPAP submission check sheet to the customer. Uh, in this sheet we will mention the all 18 documents, 18 or 19 documents in this check sheet, and what are the documents number you have to mention, revision number and the revision date also you need to mention here. Okay, and already I have told you we did this PPAP on level 3. So for which part you would need to submit this PPAP submission check sheet, so you have to mention the part name, product or part number, model name and customer name. Okay, and on which date you did this PPAP, so you have to mention that date also. Now we will see the design, we will see all the documents which is required in production part approval process. Okay, first of all, design records. Number one, design records that customer will give to the supplier, and second one is engineering change documents. If there is any change in design, then that documents also suppliers need to take from the customer. Okay, and the customer engineering approval, if there is any change in design, then supplier need to take approval from the customer. Okay, next one is DFMEA. DFMEA means design failure mode effect analysis. In this uh, in this in DFMEA we do what are the failures will come in design. These things we need to mention in design failure mode effect analysis that we don't need, so that's why we have give here not available. Okay, next one is when design is okay, then you start the next process, and what are the next is process flow diagram. For that parts, what are the process you need to go through to produce this parts, so each and every steps there you have to mention in the process flow diagram. Okay, what are the process you need to required to manufacture that product, that things you have to mention in the process flow diagram. Okay, next one is when you complete that process flow diagram, next will come failure mode effect analysis. Okay, process failure mode effect analysis. What are the failure mode will come when you do manufacture of that product, that things you have to analyze before manufacturing, and how can you control that problem. So that things you need to mention here in process failure mode effect analysis. And when any failures will come, what are the failures can come in that products when you do manufacture of this product, that things how can you control that defects or problems. For that you need to create a control plan. Okay, next one is dimensional result. We can say this is also called as a layout inspection report. Okay, in that dimensional result or layout inspection report, you have to in layout inspection report you have to ballooning, and that is layout inspection report of in drawing. Sorry, first of all you need to ballooning on that drawing 1 2 3 4 each and every results, each and every dimensions should be mentioned by the serial numbers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, what are the dimensions in that, that will be numbering on that drawing, so that is called as ballooning. And after that you have to make an inspection layout inspection report according to that ballooning. Okay, Next one is material performance test results as per drawing, and after that 10th number is measurement system analysis, that is also called as MSA. In MSA, you can measure, analyze what are the variation will come in measuring instruments. So variation in measuring instruments can be measured, analyzed by the MSA plan and MSA report, that is called as measuring system analysis studies. Or next one is on 11th number, initial process studies, that is also called as SPC, statistical process control. In this report and plan, first of all you need to create this plan, and after that you have to create that report also. So in that report you have to mention what are the variation, uh, what are the variation in process, that things you have to mention in SPC. SPC is done on 125 result. SPC is done on 120 readings. Okay, now next one is qualified lab documentation. Okay, in these things, in this you need to take MPC report also, and what are the lab documents, what are the documents, for example calibration certificate of the instruments will come in qualified lab documentation. Okay, next one is AAR, this is also called as appearance approval report if available. Okay, if customer, this is if customer will ask for this, you have to submit, otherwise there is no need to submit these reports. Okay, after that product, sample product. Next one is master sample. Sample product, customer will take this from manufacturer to view. Okay, after that one sample you have to take master sample, you have to keep with you or in supplier hand, because they need to verify that verify that the products when it will manufactured on mass production level. So master sample is required at the time to clarify. Okay, and next one is checking aids. After that packing standards, sometimes packing standards company customer will give you, otherwise you have to ask, discuss with the customer how they will take that product after manufacturing. Okay, next one is customer specific requirements. There is no need of BSP. Okay, after that part submission warrant. Part submission warrant is last one. Okay, here is part submission warrant at 19th level, but we discussed that there are 18 documents, there are 18 PPAP elements. So one more thing is here, appearance approval report, if applicable you can remove this also, otherwise if it is here there is better. Okay, so total nowadays we have to submit 19 elements of the PPAP to the customer. In next video we will discuss about all the formats of the PPAP elements. Okay, for example we will show you how to create a process flow diagram, how to create a DFMEA and process failure mode effect analysis, control plan, dimensional results, and the material performance test results, MSA, SPC, lab documents, and AAR, sample product, master sample, checking aids, packing standards, customer specific requirements, and part submission warrant. How to create these all documents, that things we will tell you in the next video one by one. Okay, so if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification of our videos. Okay, thank you for watching our videos.